Children, let us learn to write numbers 1 to 3. So now let us write 1, standing up to down. Number 1. Number 1. So what is 1, children? The value of 1, I'll show you. Now you see, I have 1 smiley. How many smileys teacher has? 1. Only 1. So 1 smiley. Number 1, 1 smiley. Okay, like children, 1, no, you have 1 nose. We have 1 nose on the face. So 1 nose. So 1, number 1 and 1 smiley. I have 1 smiley here.
Start.
Now let us write number 2, because what comes after 1? 2. So let us write 2, curve and a sleeping line. Number 2, a curve and a sleeping line. Number 2. So now what teacher has 2 over here? Wait. You see, I have 2 sharpeners. I have 2 sharpeners. 1 and 2. Let us count them. 1, 2. So number 2. 2 sharpeners. Now comes number 3. 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write number 3. A curve, 1 curve and the second curve. Number 3. 1 curve and another curve. Number 3. So let's see what 3 objects we have here. I have sketch pens. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sketch pens. Number 3. So let us count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 sketch pens here. Number 3. Now let's revise numbers 1 to 3 with its value. Here children, this is number 1. Number 1. So we have 1 smiley here. 1 smiley because we wrote number 1. Now what comes after 1? 2. Number 2. So let us see how many sharpeners. Yes, 2. 1, 2. So we have 2 sharpeners here because it's number 2. Now what comes after 2 children? 3. So here we have number 3, 2 curves, number 3. Now let's count the object. We have sketch pens. 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 sketch pens here. Children, so now we have learned numbers 1 to 3 with their value. Now children, I want you to write your numbers 1 to 3 and draw the objects according to the number. Like see here, I have written for number 1 I have drawn 1 sun. For number 2 I have drawn 2 stars. And number 3 teacher has done 3 cherries. So now in the same way you write number 1, 2 and 3 and draw whatever you like. Okay.